Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how we can transfer photos, videos or any type of data from Android to iPhone and from iPhone to Android. So the process is going to be very simple, so you have to follow this video till very end and not to skip any part. So first of all guys, the first step and the first process is to download an application which is known as ARC. So you have to jump to the Play Store and in the Play Store search for ARC and you will get this application, and in both of the devices you will get in the App Store and as well as in the Play Store. You have to search for ARC seamless file sharing. So you guys can see here, these are the applications you need to download, and that's it. Just tap on open, and after opening you will see that your iPhone and Android phone has been detected in both of the devices. As you guys can see here, in the Android it just detected the iPhone and Moto G60 is detected over here. So if I would like to transfer some photos from Android to iPhone, I just need to click on this arrow and now select the data you want to share. So I have selected this photo, as instantly I received a pop-up here to accept that photo, and that's it. Photo, I have received a photo here, as you guys can see here. And if I would like to transfer from iPhone to Android, I just need to tap on this arrow, and the process is very same. If you want to send photos from files, you can also do that. So I just selected this screenshot, and here I have to press accept, and that's it. Good to go. And here's the transfer history, and all these photos, videos will be saved into the Photos app automatically. So this is the very simple fix. Hope you guys find this method helpful. In this way you can transfer any type of photos, videos like this one. The thing is, you have to connect with the same Wi-Fi network. This is the only criteria. So thanks for watching guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.